Hello everyone, this is Fish Guy Rodney with Exotic Fishing Tanks. What I have here is a Quoyi Parrot fish. A Quoyi Parrot. This guy is REEF-SAFE. The safest, quite often I mention this to a customer and the first thing that comes to their mind is, or the first thing that they hear is parrotfish. And as a result of hearing parrotfish, they're not interested. These guys are totally reef safe. Their beak is to scrape the algae off the rocks. They'll eat algae. This guy's a little stressed, but this is a terminal phase male. Look at the colorations on this guy. I'll move him over here so you can see the coloration. How pretty this guy is. Look at those colors. Oh my. This guy is 8 inches. As I said, it's a terminal phase male. The red is an indication of being a terminal phase. Look at that. And he's stressed. So, from being put in this bucket for this video. But in any event, those who have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. And if you know someone else that are interested in fish, or at the very least interested in just seeing neat fish, give them my YouTube channel. Let them subscribe as well. Join my Facebook group, Exotic Fishing Tanks. Friend me on Facebook, Fish Guy Rodney. But again, I have here, these guys are from Indonesia. I have here a terminal phased parrotfish, Quoyi parrotfish, totally reef safe. And the colors, although he's still stressed, you can see the blotches that still cannot hide his unbelievable coloration. The red is an indication of it being a terminal phase male. Any questions? 469-682-8841. Put all fish through a quarantine process, acclimating them for 2 hours or so in nitrofurazone, methylene blue. This guy, parrotfish, I do not give a freshwater dip, but it goes in copper, 2.5, therapeutic levels, arrive alive guarantee. Any questions? Fish Guy Rodney, 469-682-8841. What I can tell you is this guy will sell in minutes. I can assure you of that. These guys haven't been around often lately. Always in demand because it's a reef-safe parrot. Again, any questions? Fish Guy Rodney, 469-682-8841. Thanks, everyone.